In the last few days, Bitcoin dumped and hit the exact levels as predicted in my last video. Found resistance at the top of the rising wedge and made a fast descent to the bottom of the wedge. Today, we'll have a look at the next possible targets. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm the Barbarian trader, and in this episode, we'll have a look at Bitcoin price targets for the upcoming days and weeks. Let's start by having a look at the Bitcoin daily chart. After we had the third rejection 2 weeks ago from the bottom of this big rising wedge, Bitcoin price had a fast descent. As you can see, Bitcoin price is under this big rising wedge, and in the last few weeks, Bitcoin has formed another rising wedge, marked with orange. In the last video, the price was at the top in the 46,800 area, and I gave you a nice short setup that would make you a nice profit. Here is what I said regarding that trade. If you are shorting Bitcoin now, probably a stop loss should be placed just above this ring at the 50,000, 50,500 area, and take profit could be taken first at the bottom of the wedge in the 40,000, 42,000 area, and the rest of the profit you can set in this green triangle of support of 35,000, 37,000 area. Now, before we go into analysis for the next Bitcoin price targets, I have something for you guys. Together with Bybit, I have prepared a $500 giveaway with 15 winners. I'll put the details in the description of this video. Also, if you want to join our VIP trading group, where we ride this Bitcoin dump for a nice profit, you can subscribe today on Patreon and you'll get instant access to our Discord server, where we post daily analysis and trade signals. I will put a link as well in the description below. Let's switch now to 12-hour chart and see possible moves for the next few days. This black rising wedge, it's the exact smaller wedge I have presented you in this daily chart. For now, the Bitcoin price is struggling at the bottom of the wedge, a typical move before the wedge will play out. In order to confirm the next move down, Bitcoin price has to move below the previous local low of 39,216. Once this level is lost, we can expect to see a faster descent in the next support levels of 36,700 area first, and below in 34,900 area. The target of this rising wedge is in 32,500 area and has a confluence with this ring. As you can see, this blue diagonal support was disputed in the past, and it's very possible for the price to come and test this support. In case you want to jump in a long position, probably you can set some asks long in the 32,100, 35,300 area. Don't try to chase the market. If you want to jump earlier in a long position, I strongly recommend you to do dollar cost average. And you can set buy orders on spot starting from 37,200 down to 28,000 area. I think it's very possible for the next move to be a descent to this blue diagonal support and bleed down in this green support channel. This channel, I think it's one of the biggest support zone we had in the last 2 years. So there is a big chance this area to be tested. For a possible bullish move, bounce up, 39,200, 40,700 area must hold. Even if he's holding, probably all we'll have will be just another bull trap. Let me show you why I'm not bullish at all and why I have no reason to think that this is the bottom. First, we are at the bottom of the huge rising wedge after 3 consecutive clean rejections. As well, at the bottom of the smaller rising wedge after 2 consecutive rejections as well. Second, Bitcoin price lost the diagonal support of 44,000, 44,400 area. Once this diagonal was flipped in resistance, has signaled that the bears are in control and the bulls have capitulated. Guys, I will really appreciate if you help the channel grow by smashing the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In conclusion, If you feel bullish and you think that is the bottom, better buy and hold Bitcoin rather than jump in a long leverage trade where you can be stopped or liquidated. If you want to jump in a short position, just wait for Bitcoin price to lose again 39,200 area and then set your trade and stop loss accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting you in our VIP trading group. I will see you in the next video. Until then, trade safe. Barbarian out.